Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you some day and night sample footage from the brand new BlackVue DR970X 2-channel plus dash camera. In this configuration, I have the rear camera, which is the RC110F camera, which is the same camera as previous generations, except it does have a new lens. The DR970X Plus and the LTE Plus have a brand new image sensor, the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 image sensor, which is used by some of its competitors. The DR970X Plus and the DR970X LTE Plus both have a brand new lens which allows more light into the brand new image sensor as well. At this time, Pentasoft has no plans of releasing a CPL filter for the DR970X Plus or the DR970X LTE Plus dash cameras. The DR970X 2-channel plus front dash camera that I have right now is very out of focus. Some of the early pre-production units, which mine is one of those pre-production units, have a focus quality problem, and this should be resolved by production time, but I'm still trying to get my hands on a production unit to get a crisp, clear video image to do a better comparison, which I will do later on in my full review. I will be comparing the footage from the DR970X Plus front dash camera against a DR970X from BlackVue, a Thinkware U3000, which is a 4K capable dash camera as well, using the IMX678 image sensor, and a VIOFO A229 Pro with a rear camera, and it's configured with a similar bitrate to the DR970X Plus front dash camera. Hope you enjoy it.